Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Yoga with Aneri. Today, we will learn how to do perfect Surya Namaskar. It is recommended that you perform a Surya Namaskar early in the morning. However, if you are not pressed for the time, then you can do it in the evening as well. But before starting your yoga routine, ensure that your stomach is empty. Practicing a sun solution, Surya Namaskar, in the morning refresh your mind. It makes you more active and also prepare your body to take on the everyday task with the enthusiasm. Another benefit of the performing this yoga sequence early in the morning is that during this time the ultraviolet rays are not very harsh. As a result, your skin doesn't get overexposed to the sun, and also you can enjoy the benefit of this asana truly. When done outdoor, this yoga sequence will enable you to form the deep connection with the outside environment. However, you also have the option to practicing it indoors, but make sure that the room is sufficient ventilated. Surya Namaskar stretches and activates every part of your body. Many of us live a hectic lifestyle. As a result, we suffer from a depression, stress and other mental illness. Surya Namaskar is a yoga technique that provides a relief from such a problem and calm your mind. Also good for reduce of body weight. So now let's start to learn a perfect Surya Namaskar, a sun solution. Surya Namaskar. Stand at the end of your mat, keep your feet together and distribute your weight on both the feet equally. Open your chest and just relax your shoulder. Breathe in and lift both your arms up from the sides. Exhale and bring your palms together in a prayer position, Namaskara Mudra, in front of your chest. Activate your feet and stand as if they are tripods. Activate your legs and keep your spine erect. Number 2. Breathe in and lift your arms up and back. Make sure that your biceps are close to your ears. Make an effort to stretch your whole body, starting from the heels up to the fingertips. Push the pelvis forward just a little bit. Instead of bending backward, reach up with the finger. If you are a beginner or if you are not able to do back bend with keeping your arms up, you can keep your palm on your back and go backward. Number 3, breathing out and bend forward from your waist while keeping your spine straight. Exhale and completely bring your hands down to the floor beside your feet. Number 4, breathe in and push your right leg as far back as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor and slowly look up. Check if your left foot is exactly between the palms. Pose 5. Breathe in and take your left leg back. Bring your whole body in a straight line. Do not raise your body more up or more down. Keep your body in one straight line and keep your hands erect and look straight. Pose 6. Gradually bring your knees down to the floor, then exhale. Slightly take your hips back and slide forward. Relax your chest and chin on the ground. The 8 parts of your body, including 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin, should be touched the ground. Pose 7. Slide forward and raise your chest up into the cobra pose. Keep your elbow bent and fixed in this pose. Keep your shoulder away from your ears. Slowly look up. Inhale and make a moderate effort to push your chest forward. Exhale and make a light effort to push your navel down. Tuck your toes under. Make sure that you are stretching just as much as you can do. Not go beyond the limits of your body. Pose 8. Breathe out and lift your hips as well as your tailbone up. Put your chest downward to create an inward V pose. Keep your heels on the ground as possible. Make a moderate effort to lift your tailbone up. Gradually, go deeper into the stretch. Pose 9. Breathe in and bring your right foot forward in between the two hands. Bring your left knee down to the ground. Press your hips down, then look up. Place your right foot exactly between the two hands. Make sure that your right calf is perpendicular to the ground. You only need a moderate effort in order to push your hips down towards the floor and deepen the yoga stretches. Pose 10. Breathe out and bring your left foot forward. Keep your palms on the ground. You can bend your knees if you feel some discomfort. Gently straighten your knees, and if you can, try and touch your nose to the knee. Keep on breathing. Pose 11. Breathe in and roll your spine up. Make your hands go up and bend backward a little bit. Push your hips slightly outward. Make sure that your biceps are beside your ears. Aim to stretch up more instead of stretching backwards. If you are not able to do keeping your hands up, you can keep your hands on your back. Pose 12. Exhale and first straighten your body. Bring your arms down in prayer pose, Namaskara Mudra. Relax in this yoga pose. Observe the sensation that the sun solution brings in your body. Okay, after learning a 12 poses of a Surya Namaskar, we will practice a Surya Namaskar with the 12 Surya mantras. Take a position.
Om Nityaya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Argaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha.
Relax. Inhale and exhale. You can practice 3 Surya Namaskar daily to get a wonderful benefits. You can practice maximum amount of 20 Surya Namaskar at one go. Do not do more than that. There are many people who are practicing 30, 40, 50, 100. This all concepts are wrong. Maximum you should do only 20 Surya Namaskar to get a wonderful benefits. Not more than that. If you have any questions regarding your yoga practice or suggestions or any kind of confusion, you can message me in below comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll see you next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye. Namaste.